Hi everyone, welcome back to English Hero. My name is Fred, and today in this video we will continue discussing the cases of nouns. Now we're down with the second case, which is the possessive case. Okay, possessive case, from the word possess, this one shows the possessor owns another noun. Okay, so one indication or one good clue that we can say that that noun is in a possessive case with the presence of apostrophe, okay, this one, apostrophe, and letter S. Okay, but there are rules that we have to consider, or some reminders for us to be reminded, okay, in identifying possessive cases of nouns, or possessive case of nouns. So we have here possessive case in singular noun, so author's signature. So we have here apostrophe S. Now we have to put apostrophe S for singular noun to show the possessor that he or she owns another noun. So we have two nouns here, author's signature. These are two nouns, okay? So but our possessor here is the author. That's why we put apostrophe S, author's signature. Now if we're going to interpret another way, we might be asking, who's that signature? It's the author's signature. There you have it. I hope you understand. Okay, so we have here another thing that we have to consider. If it's in plural noun, meaning many, okay, it's not just only one but many. So that's what it means by plural, okay? Plural noun, we have here author's signature. Now for plural noun, usually it ends in letter S, so you don't need to put another S in it, okay, to indicate possession. For example, this one, author's. Author's signature here, we have to put apostrophe in the end after letter S, because we're referring to the plural noun. Okay, so our possessor here is plural, so that's why we only have to put apostrophe, no more S. Okay? Alright, so another reminders or important notions that we have to follow, that if there's a joint possession, use the correct possessive only closest to the noun. Okay, so for example, we have here two nouns, okay, Ruiz and Reyes campaign in provinces was a success. So we have here two possessors, okay, but in this sentence it refers to a joint possession, okay? So if we're going to interpret it in another way, or in other ways, whose campaign in provinces was a success? So it's Ruiz and Reyes campaign in provinces was a success. So Ruiz and Reyes here, although they are two different persons, but it shows joint possession. It's their campaign. So we have to use the correct possessive noun to the closest noun. Okay, to the closest noun. So the closest noun here, closest possessor here is Reyes. Now, you might be wondering why we don't have to put another S here in the end, because like I said earlier, if a proper noun or a noun, or plural noun, ends in S, you don't need to put another S. Just apostrophe, okay? Apostrophe in the end, after letter S, to show ownership or possession. Okay? Now, another important reminder that if there is a separate possession, okay, use the possessive form for each noun word, okay? So, as compared to this one, we're talking about the separate possession this time. It's no longer joint, but separate possession. So we have here an example. Christine's and Judith's parents attended the monthly evaluation meeting. Now, if we're going to understand it in another way, whose parents attended the monthly evaluation meeting? So it's Christine's and Judith's parents attended the evaluation meeting. So since it shows separate possession, because Christine has different parents, Judith has different parents, so they're not siblings. They are two different persons with two different possessions, separate possessions rather. So that's why we put apostrophe S in the end in each noun word. Okay, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, please don't forget to ask me, or you can write down your questions there if you have any confusions. But I hope that you have fully understood our topic for today. Thank you so much. By the way, in our next video, we're going to talk about objective case of nouns. Okay, thank you so much, kids, for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Have a good one, and goodbye.